Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites so nothing blocks tethering. Ensure your phone battery is above 20%, mobile data is on, and your plan allows a hotspot. Once done, open hotspot settings and set a clear SSID and strong password. Make the network visible so clients can find it. You should switch frequency to 4 GHz if a device is old, or 5 GHz for speed. This first set of steps removes common barriers and prepares the link. Once your hotspot is configured, you make deeper adjustments to stabilize the connection. You select WPA2 or WPA3 for security and type a robust password, then choose the best frequency and channel to avoid interference. On the client, manually add the SSID and password if automatic discovery fails, and assign a static IP if DHCP causes conflicts. If streaming or heavy use, limit connected devices and enable data saver features. These middle steps optimize throughput and prevent. To finish, verify stability. Run a speed test and watch latency while a device streams or downloads. You should close background apps on the host phone and connected clients to free bandwidth and reduce simultaneous devices when possible. Make sure automatic updates or backups are paused. If the connection is intermittent, toggle the hotspot off and on, reboot the phone, and reapply APN settings. If problems persist, contact your carrier, because the issue may be plan or network side, rather than device configuration.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.